Hey Rockstar, so I'm a little bit perplexed as to why this video has to happen, but apparently it does. So there's a common problem among new business owners where you get your new business formalized, hopefully by an attorney, and then you go down to the bank and you tell them, I'd like a new bank account. And they say, no, you're not the owner of your new company. And they're like, what? I totally am. Here's the lawyer's invoice and all this stuff. Only the registered agent is the person whose name is listed on the Secretary of State filing, also in Georgia. That can be a problem for a banker who doesn't understand what a registered agent is. So what is a registered agent? A registered agent is your lawyer, typically, or at least your CPA. It should not be you. It's a professional who's on a fiduciary duty to hand to you and discuss with you any sort of lawsuit proceedings that you get, God forbid, any garnishment things against yourself or employees, things like that of this nature, that if you miss them, then you're on the hook and you might lose by default. You are the owner of the company. The banker doesn't know what he or she is talking about, and here's why. Okay, so you're in the state of Georgia. You don't have your operating agreement, which is really what establishes you as the owner of your business, formally registered with the Georgia Secretary of State. Other states do this, such as Delaware, but Georgia does not. So that means that whoever sets up your company, hopefully it's a lawyer because they're going to do it right, will set up your company and they don't put your name in anywhere as the owner of the business. All that the Secretary of State sees is your lawyer's name as the organizer. The organizer is not equal to the business owner, however. Thank God, because if that were true, then I would own like 1,000 businesses at this point, and that would be absurd. I can barely keep up with my one. Here's what you do. You go to the banker, you bring them your articles of organization, which are given to you by the law firm that set it up for you or the Secretary of State's office. You give them your operating agreement if it's a new LLC. If you have a corporation, you need to show them your corporate binder, which should include bylaws, shareholder agreements, organizational meeting minutes of the shareholders, that sort of thing. Bring them that, and just that proves that you're the owner of the business. Typically, the banker will file it in one of their digital files so that anyone can see that you're a signer on this account, you're the owner of it, etc. Okay, so if they give you any crap, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. But it happens once every 3 to 6 months where we have to call up a banker and explain to them the legal process for starting a new company. So that's it. Keep rocking, guys. I'm Jonathan Sparks of Sparks Law.